Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find the cube root of 10,648. We will be using the prime factorization method or the long division method for finding the cube root. For that we are going to write the number like this and we'll find all the prime factors of that number by long division. So here, as the number is even, we are going to use 2 as the prime factor. Whenever the number is even, we are going to use 2 as the prime factor. Let's divide the number by 2. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Again we are going to use 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is carried over here, so this becomes 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then this 1 is carried over here, so this is 12 now. So 2 times 6 again, and then 2 times 2. Now 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 3 and 2 times 1. Now this is an odd number, so as this is an odd number, we have to try what is the factor of this number. Let's try 3. So 3 is not the factor of this number. And then the next number we can try is 7. 7 is not the factor of this number, so next prime number is 11. So let's try 11 here. 11 times 1 is 11, then 2 will be carried over to the next place, so this becomes 23. Then 11 times 2 is 22, and then 1 will be carried over, so this becomes 11, and 11 times 1 is 11. And now again we can use 11 as the prime factor. So 11 times 1 and 11 times 1, and then 11 times 1 is 11. So now we got all the factors of 10,648. So next step is to write the number as the product of all the factors. As we are finding cube root, so we are going to use cube root sign here. 10,648 equal to, we have the factors as 2 times 2 times 2 times 11 times 11 times 11. Now we need to get rid of the cube root sign. So we are going to write these number as product of cubes. So this is 2 cube times 11 cube. As these are under the cube root sign, these numbers can come out. So this is 2 times 11. So now this becomes 22. So the cube root of 10,648 is 22. This is our final answer. So this is how you can find the cube root of any number by using the method of long division or prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.